All right, so in this video, we're going to show you the initial setup of your Innovatools Anvil extension on your VanMark brake. So this procedure will be the same for all the different models of that brake. So you'll notice there's a lot of loose adjustments between the blade and the mounting block. So the first step will be to make sure that those two screws are loose. And then we'll need a 5/32 Allen key. So first step will be to use the left block on the left side of the brake, and then you'll want to slide this groove onto the lower lip here, ensuring that it's in all the way and all the way to the front. Once it's where it goes, you just need to do a quarter turn on the thumb screw to secure it in place, and then we'll be using the Allen key to set this final adjustment in place, ensuring that we line up the top and the bottom, so that we have a flat surface where the cutters can ride on from one to another. So once it's lined up properly, give a good crank on those bolts, and then whenever you're ready to remove it for transportation or whatever it may be, you just do a quarter turn, make sure you're nice and tight, and then quarter turn to put it back on. It's as simple as that. Repeat the same on the other process and you're ready to go.